ready to send bulk SMS campaigns in Pipedrive with HelloSend. Start by navigating to the Contacts module. Select the contacts you want to reach, then click the HelloSend campaign button. Your chosen contacts will appear in the To section. Next, configure your message. Select or adjust the From number, pick a template, or write a custom message. Once launched, track your campaign's performance on the campaign analytics screen. You can create a campaign directly within HelloSend. Start by going to the campaign page and clicking on Create. Choose your From number and set up the To filters to ensure your message reaches the right contacts. Now, select a message template or create a custom message. Once everything looks good, fill in any required campaign details and click Launch. After launching, you can monitor the campaign's analytics in real time. The analytics tools help you track engagement, responses, and overall campaign performance, making it easy to reach a large audience efficiently and measure your success along the way. Book a slot with us using the link in the description, and we'll guide you through the messaging channel setup. Happy texting!